Story Factory is
positive,
engaging, interactive, practical.
Imaginary.
Fun. Exciting. Chickens.
Fun. I already said that.
Stories. Chicken stories. You get to draw all you want and write, because writing's kind of fun.
It's a little bit exciting and it's a little bit fun.
Sometimes it's pretty hard for me.
Here at Story Factory, we run a really wide range of creative writing programs. We work with lots of kids who have low literacy and who don't like writing. So to turn them around, for them to suddenly say, oh, actually this is great fun, I really like it, and to send them back feeling more confident and engaged is a really big win for us. So we really help young people find their voice, and then we give them the writing skills to be able to express the things that they really want to say.
I would like to write about my family.
Puppies. Aliens and monsters attacking each other and invading the city.
Kids want to just walk out of class or just get themselves into trouble so they don't have to do that workload. But with Story Factory, everyone's engaged.
But the real joy for me is having kids become a community of writers. It is that sharing of ideas and possibilities that's the really exciting thing.
A lot of the programs have been centred around themes and issues that are really important to our kids. The students are actually learning a lot about themselves, the way that they relate to each other, and also learning about the great things in their community.
What I enjoy about the Story Factory classes is that we do different things every time, so it's a new adventure every time we step into the classroom.
It's the confidence in sharing ideas and the confidence to try a new thing, which I think is so significant for young people.
I think the biggest change I've seen with our students is just their love of writing. I think they develop the confidence that they can write and they can produce something, and we then see that happening in their other subjects across the school.
Reading is access, but writing is agency. And if you can't write, you can't properly engage with your education.
By being involved with Story Factory, many of the children feel that they are actually authors, that they are story makers, and that what they have is a voice that they can share with the broader community.
I love stories because I was really happy that I could tell my own stories, that I couldn't make a fool of myself.
I think for the kids it's about seeing possibilities, so they start to see themselves as makers.
Another valuable aspect is that we've had lots of different volunteers that work as tutors with the storytellers. That has also exposed our students to different adults, and it's important that they are valued by lots of different people to make their life at school successful.
It's a beautiful relationship and I don't want it to stop. They're here every Thursday. Rain, hail or shine, train, bus or a lift, you know what I mean? They're always here and they bring the smile, they bring the love with them as well.
We are the story makers.
We are the story makers.
We are the story makers.
We are the story makers.